Stop struggling with losing important text you just copied. Learn exactly how to pin an item to the clipboard on Android in just a few minutes and never lose that information again. Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real. Have you ever copied something important like a tracking number, a complex password, or a friend's address, only to copy something else by mistake and lose the first thing forever? It's incredibly frustrating, but there's a built-in solution you might not know about. Today, I'm going to show you the magic of the pin feature in your Android keyboard's clipboard. This lets you save specific copied items so they never get deleted automatically. By the end of this video, you'll be a clipboard pro, saving yourself tons of time and headaches. We'll be using Gboard, the Google keyboard, which is the default on many Android phones. Let's get started. So why is this so useful? Think about it. You can pin your email address, your home Wi-Fi password, a common response you send to clients, or even your bank account number for easy transfers. It turns your clipboard from a temporary holder into a permanent notepad for your most used info. And here's a little tech trivia for you. The concept of copy and paste was invented by a computer scientist named Larry Tesler while working at Xerox in the 1970s. He wanted to make computers more user-friendly, and his invention has since saved us billions of hours of work. Thanks, Larry. Okay, step one is the one you already know. Copy something. It can be a link from your web browser, text from an email, or anything you want to save. Just long press on the text and tap Copy. Next, we need to open the clipboard. Go to any app where you can type, like a messaging app or a notepad. When your keyboard appears, look at the toolbar right above the letters. You're looking for an icon that looks like a clipboard. If you don't see it there, don't worry. Tap the 4 squares icon on the left to see more options. You'll definitely find the clipboard icon in there. Go ahead and tap it. If this is your first time using this feature, you might see a screen asking you to turn on the clipboard. Just tap Turn on Clipboard. This is a crucial step. Gboard's clipboard will automatically delete any unpinned items after 1 hour to save memory. So enabling this is what allows us to save things longer. Quick pause. If you're finding this tip useful, do me a huge favor and tap that like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more Android tips like this. Okay, back to it. Now for the magic moment. In the clipboard view, you'll see a recent section with the text you just copied. To pin it, simply press and hold your finger on that item for a second. A menu will pop up with a few options. From that menu, just tap Pin. That's it. You've done it. You'll immediately see that your item has moved from the recent section into a new section at the top called Pinned. Anything in this Pinned section is safe. It won't be deleted after an hour, and it won't be pushed out when you copy new things. It will stay there until you manually unpin or delete it. Here's another fun fact. The term clipboard was chosen as a metaphor for a real-world clipboard that holds papers temporarily. It was popularized by Apple and Microsoft in their early operating systems to help people understand the abstract idea of temporary data storage. And what if you don't need it anymore? It's just as easy. Simply go back to your clipboard, long press the item in the pinned section, and this time tap Unpin. It will move back to the recent list, where it will eventually be deleted. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to pin items to your clipboard on your Android phone. No more losing important information. You can now keep your most used text and links ready to paste at a moment's notice. It's a simple feature that can make a huge difference in your daily productivity. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple but powerful tips for your Android device, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments what item will you be pinning first. I'd love to hear how you'll use this feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.